Hey there, welcome back to the Barnabas Arcade Cyclone game. Alright, so in this video I want to go ahead and fine-tune my button pressing here. So previous video we looked at how to code the button so that it stops at any light. So let's go ahead and try. What I found was that I kind of have to hold it down for a long time, and if sometimes it doesn't seem to work as well as I want. So that kind of works. Definitely something's going on, right? But like I just try to stop here, but it stopped there. Okay. So what I found, I did some little tweaking earlier, and I saw that the fact that it's really slow right now, it's causing the button not to work as fast. Okay. Here's kind of the main thing to get out of this. All right. See, every time that it's waiting here, it's like it's like a brain freeze. The computer Uno brain is not doing anything during that time. So the more weights you have, the more time the brain is not doing anything. So it's like when you're staring off to space, I'm like, hello, hello, and you're just staring off to space. The more weights you have in that, your computer is just kind of dozing off or looking into space and not looking at the button or anything. So if you reduce that time and by making it spin faster, what actually happens is that it's just more responsive, so that it's checking for the button more often because it's not staring off into space as long. So if we change this, instead of 0.25, maybe 0.05, all of a sudden things get a little bit more responsive. Your button starts working better. All right, so I'm just going to do this really quick. I'm just copying and pasting. I know you can't, I know you're getting blocked on some of these subroutines here, but I think you got it. I'm just changing everything to 0.05, pasting in there. Okay, so I changed everything to 0.05, and let's try now. Boom. Should be better. Okay, you see now? Wait a second. Why is this one staying? Oh, probably because I didn't change one of them. Oh, what? Oh, down here I have a LED 5 of 0.005. That's not right. Okay, and where else might I have an issue here? Weight 0.05. I feel like, which one is this? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 has. Well, where is 7? Oh, 7 is all the way over here. That's why. It's like, okay, something's happening here. Again, love making mistakes with you all. Okay, 0.05 and 0.05. Now let's try again. And they should all be going without this pause there. Okay, cool. And this is actually much more like the game. And then when I press the button, yep, you see it just kind of just more responsive. It'll stay there. Yeah, so now it's just like boom, when you press it, it's gonna stop. Okay, cool. So all it is just something with the timing. Again, just giving your computer less time dozing off with the weights will make it just more responsive. Okay, now because it stops anywhere, I actually want to change it up so that when we stop it on this light, something else happens. Like you win the game, right? Oh, see? That's good, but then if I get on this light, I want it to not just stop and pause. Boom, I won! But it's just pausing. So let's say if it gets there, I just want that light to blink like 10 times to just show me I won. So that means I need a different subroutine just for this light, which is controlled by the blink 2 subroutine. So let's go to blink 2. And instead of check light, I don't want check light anymore. I want to make another subroutine that does something else. Let's make a subroutine there. I'll put it here. And I'll call it check win. And it's going to do the same thing. So I'm going to duplicate. I'm going to go to check light subroutine and duplicate this. Put it in. Let me clean up here. Let's clean up a little bit. Okay. So check when is only called where? Oh, it's not called anywhere right now. Let's go to subroutines. Scroll down. Check when is right here. Check when is called only when we're looking at the LED 2. So I'll put it here. Okay. So when we're turning on LED 2, we'll check if it's on. If it is on, then we're going to win the game. And instead of just waiting for 5 seconds, I want it to blink 10 times. So let's do that. I'm going to go, there's another block we're going to learn about. Control, go to find this repeat. Okay, maybe I did that too fast. Go to the control drawer, scroll down, find repeat. And we're going to put it here. Okay. Is that right? Oh, wrong one. This is repeat until. We're not going to use that. My bad, my bad. Let's go back to control and find the repeat 5 times. This one. Repeat 5 times. Put it in here. Okay, what do we want to do? We want to repeat, not 5 times, but 10. Let's put 10 there. And then what do we want to repeat 10 times? We will put it here. We want the winning light to blink 10 times. So I go here. And this code basically blinks that light, right? So, you know what? It might be either easier just to build it manually. Okay. Number 2, on. I have a wait here. Let's blink it fast. So I'm going to say 0.1. So on, then I'll do another, duplicate this. And we're going to turn it off. And then duplicate the wait. Okay. All right, let me move this. Clean up, everyone clean up. Cool. Okay. So what's going to happen if I press the button while the LED 2 is on? It's going to blink the LED 2 10 times, and then maybe let's do a wait too. Where is it? Control. After it's repeated 10 times, so not inside here, but after the repeat. Let's wait 5 seconds. Okay, clean up. Zoom out. Looking good. Okay. So now I have a special situation that if the second LED turns on, if the button is pressed when the second LED, it should start flashing 10 times and then stop. But only on this LED. All the other ones, it just stops for 5 seconds. Okay, upload. Okay, let's play the game. Oh, I lost. It's just gonna hang out there. Oh, I lost. Okay, this time I'm gonna try to win. And then we should see something different. Yeah. See that? Yeah, and then it keeps going. Awesome. Okay, so now I have, when I'm on a different light, it just stops and goes, you know, nothing's happening. I'm sorry, you didn't win. But then if you get on the, boom, right on it, it blinks. Now, a challenge I would give you, what if you wanted to change it so that when you win, all the lights flash like doom, 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 doom. How would you do that? I think you got it. Give you a chance to think about that, play with that, because I think that would look even cooler if all the lights were blinking whenever you press the button and win. All right, I'll leave this video at that. The next thing we're gonna do is also add a motor. And we're gonna put it on top there so that when you win, there's also like some motion, a robotic motion whenever you win. All right, that's it for now. I will see you in the next video.